Welcome back to Automation Arc, the place where machines, engineering, and design meet the passion of mobility and performance. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most capable, rugged, and versatile machines ever crafted by Mercedes-Benz, the Unimog U400 and U500. These machines are not just trucks, they're a way of life for operators who demand absolute reliability, multi-role capability, and unmatched off-road performance. When you look at a Unimog, especially the U400 and U500 series, you're not just looking at a vehicle. You're looking at decades of innovation, refinement, and a clear vision of what utility on wheels should be. The Unimog has built a legacy for being more than just transport. It's a tool carrier, a tractor, an off-road beast, and a road-going machine all at once. Whether in the harshest mountain ranges, deep forests, sprawling agricultural lands, or even as part of urban maintenance fleets, these Unimogs serve a unique role that no other machine quite fills. Starting with the heart of these machines, the engines in the U400 and U500 are designed to endure and perform under the harshest working conditions. The U400 is powered by a robust 4-cylinder diesel engine, while the U500 features a more powerful 6-cylinder diesel engine. These engines are turbocharged and intercooled, delivering excellent torque even at low RPMs, which is a critical factor for any vehicle operating off-road or when handling heavy attachments. They've been tuned not for flashy speed, but for consistent, usable power and longevity. In real-world terms, that means hauling loads, pushing snow, operating cranes or mowers, or crawling up steep embankments becomes easier and safer. Operators don't have to rev high to get performance, which in turn increases engine life and reduces fuel consumption. The combination of strong pulling power, modern emissions control, and fuel efficiency makes these engines exceptional in their class. The Unimog's drivetrain is where it really begins to outclass conventional trucks or tractors. At the core of its mobility system are the portal axles. These are unlike the standard axles found on most vehicles. Portal axles use a system of gears to elevate the axle center above the wheel center. This provides ground clearance far beyond what you'd expect from a vehicle of this size. It's a clever piece of engineering that allows the Unimog to tackle boulders, ditches, deep snow, and muddy terrain without the underbody scraping or getting stuck. The result is unmatched off-road performance, and yet, the ride quality on paved roads remains controlled and smooth. And it's not just about going high, it's also about going smart. The Unimog features differential locks on both axles and a transfer case, meaning all wheels can be locked together for maximum traction. So even if one wheel is dangling in midair on rocky terrain, the other wheels will keep pushing the vehicle forward. Power is sent through a fully synchronized manual transmission, or optionally, an electro-pneumatic system that makes shifting easier under load. In addition to the regular gears, there are also working gears available, which give the driver incredibly fine control over speed and torque when operating implements or navigating extremely challenging environments. These working gears essentially double the number of gears available. It's an ideal setup for applications like rail maintenance, snow plowing at low speeds, or precise mowing and spraying in agriculture. The precision in speed and control is critical when you're working with heavy or delicate equipment, and Mercedes-Benz made sure this vehicle performs in those scenarios. Speaking of working tools, the Unimog U400 and U500 are nothing short of mobile power units. They're designed to be more than transportation, they're designed to do. These vehicles can be equipped with front and rear power takeoffs, high-performance hydraulic systems, and multiple mounting points for attachments. You can attach a snow plow, a crane, a mower, a street washer, or even specialized tools for military and fire rescue purposes. What makes this even more impressive is how seamlessly the Unimog integrates with these tools. From inside the cab, the operator can control the hydraulic flow, monitor tool engagement, and manage attachments with precision. The PTO system isn't just an afterthought, it's central to the design. The Unimog can work with tools that need high torque at low speeds or tools that need high-speed rotation, making it a go-to solution for many industries. The cab of the Unimog is designed with both utility and comfort in mind. Climb into one, and you're greeted with a space that's functional, durable, and engineered for long days in demanding conditions. The large windows offer superb visibility, which is crucial when you're navigating tight spaces or working with attachments. Every control in the cab is within easy reach. The dash is straightforward, with large, clearly labeled buttons and dials. There's a multifunction joystick available for controlling attachments and hydraulic functions, meaning the operator never has to take their eyes off the road or their hands off the job. The seating is ergonomic, built for comfort even when driving over rough terrain for extended hours. Air conditioning, heating, and even optional air suspension seats are available, making the interior more pleasant in both summer heat and winter cold. The cab is also mounted using a torsionally flexible frame that isolates it from chassis movement, which reduces vibration and keeps the operator comfortable even on the bumpiest of roads or trails. One of the standout features of both the U400 and U500 is the central tire inflation system, also known as CTIS. This system allows the operator to adjust tire pressure on the fly, directly from the cab. On soft terrain like sand or mud, you can lower the tire pressure to increase the surface area of the tire, improving traction and reducing soil compaction. Then, when you're back on solid pavement, you can reinflate the tires for optimal fuel efficiency and road handling. This level of adaptability is a game changer in environments where surface conditions change frequently or unpredictably. It's also a feature rarely seen in commercial trucks but is immensely beneficial in agricultural, forestry, or construction settings. Another area where the Unimog excels is braking and safety. These vehicles are equipped with a combination of high-performance air brakes, ABS, and engine braking systems. The result is confident, controlled stopping, even when carrying heavy equipment or traveling downhill. The parking brake system is air-actuated as well, ensuring secure holds even on steep slopes. The overall design of the chassis adds another layer of safety. It's made from high-strength steel, welded into a ladder frame that provides both strength and flexibility. That bit of torsional flexibility is critical in off-road environments. It allows each wheel to articulate independently while still maintaining frame integrity. You won't feel the chassis twist or shudder under pressure because it's built to flex with the terrain. This isn't just about off-road performance, it also contributes to long-term durability by reducing stress on weld points and components. From a design standpoint, the Unimog U400 and U500 carry that iconic utilitarian look. It's bold, boxy, and unmistakably functional. But there's a beauty in that design of form that truly follows function. The front grille is large, allowing for optimal airflow to the radiator and intercooler, which is crucial when operating under load or in high-temperature environments. The body panels are made from corrosion-resistant materials and are easy to replace in case of damage. That's not just good for maintenance, it's smart economics for fleet operators. Every detail, from the placement of the headlamps to the height of the steps, is designed to support daily utility and maintenance. The vehicle height, angle of approach, departure, and breakover are all carefully balanced to give it genuine all-terrain capability while remaining usable in city or roadside environments. Now, what sets the U400 apart from the U500? While both are immensely capable, the U500 offers greater payload capacity and a more powerful engine, making it the preferred choice for applications requiring more brute force such as construction, heavy rail work, or major snow clearing operations. The U400, on the other hand, is more nimble, lighter, and often favored for municipal use, like road sweeping, verge mowing, and firefighting in rural environments. The U400 is easier to maneuver in tight spaces, and its lighter frame means it's less taxing on ground surfaces, which is important in parks or farmland. Both share the same engineering philosophy and core technology, but the application determines which is the better fit. The Unimog is not just a workhorse, it's a reliable partner in some of the harshest, most demanding environments in the world. You'll find these machines clearing roads high in the Alps, working rail lines in remote stretches of forest, serving as mobile fire engines in wildfire-prone regions, or even as expedition vehicles customized for overlanding adventures. The modularity and strength of the platform have made it a favorite among explorers and industrial users alike. For governments, contractors, utility companies, and anyone in need of a serious multi-role vehicle, the Unimog continues to set the benchmark.